So we got this situation to handle. If f of x and g of x are two functions with g of x as this and f of g of x is this, then find f of x. Okay, so suppose that I will give you f of x and I will give you g of x. Means if I'll give you stage 1, stage 2, then you can find out stage 3, f of g of x or g of f of x. Correct or wrong? But look at this. These guys have given stage 1 and these guys have given stage 3, and they are asking you the intermediate stage. So how we will approach this kind of question, try to understand. So what we will do, you know that if it is f of g of x, the function f of x must be written in the form of g of x. Means we will write all the things in terms of g of x only. Whatever written in the right hand side, we will write those things in terms of g of x. So let's look at this part. This is a cube minus b cube. So can I write this thing as a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab? So this thing is g of x. But do you really think that this is g of x? No, it is not. So you have to convert this thing into g of x. So look at this. X minus 1 by x whole square. Sorry, not whole square. It is without this. Now look at this. Can I write this thing as x minus 1 by x whole square, and you will be having minus of 2. So to manage that minus of 2, you need plus of 2. So plus of 2 and this plus of 1. So we wrote every variable in terms of g. So can I write this thing as g of x into g of x square and then plus of 3? Correct? So if we wish to find out f of x, don't you think that in place of g of x I should write x? So to calculate f of x, wherever I will find g of x, I will be replacing it with x. So x times x square plus 3. So we got x cube plus 3x. So the required result is x cube plus 3x. Therefore, we got the result. So I hope you got the flow, and wherever you will find similar situations, you can handle accordingly. Okay.